video opens by debunking a common myth: merely using new AI tools won't make you rich. The narrator establishes authority, having been a CEO, investor, and board member for billion-dollar AI companies. The secret isn't about the tools themselves, but about building a self-reinforcing system, a flywheel. The first major problem is identified. Most businesses fail due to a lack of quality leads, not bad products or strong competition. Founders often focus on lead volume, not quality, leading to a high and unsustainable customer acquisition cost. Apollo is introduced as an AI sales engine for hyper-targeted prospecting, helping to define the ideal customer and build a precise list. Clay is presented as a tool that enriches lead lists with real-world data, emails, job history, social profiles to enable personalized outreach. The narrative shifts to lead nurturing, emphasizing that speed is critical. Responding within 5 minutes makes you 100x more likely to reach a prospect. A personal story illustrates the cost of letting leads go cold due to poor nurturing. Bravo is introduced as the automated nurturing tool that ensures consistent, timely follow-ups to warm up leads. Calendly, mentioned alongside Bravo, is highlighted as the AI scheduler that eliminates back and forth to secure meetings. The scene shifts to the moment after purchase intent, where 60% of deals fail due to friction in the final steps. To win, you must master proposal, pipeline, and payment. Gamma is introduced to turn ideas and notes into compelling visual presentations and proposals instantly. Airtable is recommended to bring structured, simple pipeline tracking without the complexity of a full CRM. Stripe is presented as the frictionless payment solution for all revenue models, replacing costly internal teams. The focus moves from selling to delivering, where speed and reliability dictate repeat purchases. Lovable is shown as the tool that builds functional apps from plain English prompts, compressing development from weeks to minutes. Gumroad is introduced as the invisible warehouse that automates the sale and delivery of digital products like courses and ebooks. The narrative reveals that businesses break at the handoffs between apps, creating the need for connective automation. Zapier is recommended for the first 100 simple automations. N8N is presented as a powerful, cost-controlled upgrade with AI workflow builders, enabling web automation. The conclusion visualizes the connected system. Apollo finds leads, Clay enriches them, Bravo nurtures, Calendly books, Gamma proposes, Airtable tracks, Stripe charges, Lovable Gumroad delivers, and Zapier N8N automates the connections. This creates a perpetual motion machine where leads create sales, sales create delivery, delivery builds reputation, and reputation drives more leads, the ultimate wealth building flywheel.